So all the pro features on CapCut is now free, and before you go out and download it, make sure you watch how to install it. If you get how to install it, you'll be able to access the free features on CapCut. I have the link in the description. This one we are not going to sell anything for you. Just go out there and get your CapCut for free. But before we go, take your time to watch this video. Let's jump to it. So this is my CapCut dashboard here, and I've been using it, and if you check in this dashboard, I'll be able to use all the pro features. If I hit on this one, you see that I can access all the pro features, can use all the pro features that we have on CapCut. I can remove background, I can use the auto, I can use auto caption, and all the pro features on CapCut. To be able to access the app right now, make sure you click on the link in the description. I have the link out there. It will take you to this channel here, and if you get to this channel, this is the link. Tap on the link and then it will bring you here. Use the browser that you're using, but I prefer you use the Chrome browser because the link is in Google Drive, so it will take you here. If you get here, you will see we have the download button here. Hit on the download button, then it will bring you here, and if it is not automatically started downloading, make sure you hit on this one to download it. Okay, you sometimes see a warning on that the app that you are downloading, it will affect your channel and stuff, so make sure you ignore it. But this one, I've already downloaded the app here, so that's why they are telling me to download it again or not, because I already have it. I need to go out there and access it. So this is the link here. To install it and be able to use it, you need to make sure the already CapCut that you have. So this is the one that I have, or the one that you downloaded from Play Store, which is not the pro version. You need to uninstall it, and let me show you the proper way to uninstall it so that you not face any challenge when you are trying to use it. Okay, so to uninstall it, first thing is go to your app settings. Okay, go to your phone settings. This is the phone settings out here, so I will access mine at the top there. Then I will scroll down. It depends on the phone that you're using, so this is my phone. Then go to apps. Okay, and if you go to apps, you can search here and search for CapCut. Okay, so I can search for CapCut. So this is the CapCut app I have here, so tap on that one, and if you tap on that one, you see we have all this stuff here. We have uninstall, don't uninstall it straightforward, and then we have force stop, and we have open here. So go to storage, and if you tap on storage first, correct all the details here. Okay, the one that you are using. Before you can clear all the details, make sure you import all your stuff that you have on the app before you can be able to clear all the details. If not, everything that you have on the app will go, or it will delete. After that, then you come in and force stop it. Then you type in uninstall to uninstall it. So let me uninstall it so that I can be able to go out there and install the new one. So let me search for CapCut, though there's no CapCut here, so I'll go back to my app and search. CapCut is not found here. So now let me go to my Chrome browser or my browser and install the app. So here is the app. You tap on the app, then you wait for it to check everything, then you hit on install. So this one is going to install the app, so let's wait for the app to finish install. And one thing is, because of this app, it have a huge storage, it takes time for it to be installed. So if you look at here, it says app installed. Okay, I can tap in here and open it. So let me first open this one for you to see how it look like. Okay, then you agree with it, you cancel every other stuff here. So here is it. In case I tap on this one, and if you look at the top here, you see that all the features are not ready or are not found here. That means I'm not using the pro features, I'm using the normal feature that everyone uses. So if I tap on here, it will tell me to log in to my CapCut account. And one thing is, we need to log in before we can be able to access the pro features. And to log in to this account, you don't need to have any other stuff. So all that you need is go to your browser, any or different browser. Okay, make sure you download a different browser and type on CapCut. Just search for either CapCut login or sign up. Okay, then here what we are going to do is we are going to sign up. We are going to create an account on CapCut. So scroll down here and use the sign up option. Then you sign up on CapCut using a different email address that you haven't used before. Okay, so sign up with different email address. They will ask you all this stuff. Don't use any of them. Tap on use email address. Okay, tap on use email address. Then you enter your email address, and then you continue and enter your password to be able to sign up with CapCut. So that's what we are going to use to sign in to our CapCut. So I'll tap in here and go here. So I'm going to sign in, and to sign in I will use the sign in with email. Okay, so use sign in with email. Then you enter your email address here. So I'll enter my email address here. Here I'm going to enter my password, the password that you use when you were creating the account. So use that password. So I'm going to use my password. So after finishing, then you hit on continue. So let's wait for the next task. Okay, so I've signed in to CapCut, and let's see what it will show us here. Okay, so it has been installed right here, and this is my dashboard. They are telling me to edit other stuff. So I'll come into edit. We haven't finished, so take your time. Come into edit or just tap here. It will show at the top join CapCut Pro, but don't mind, go to edit here, and then you see still the pro features are not enabled. That means we cannot use the pro enable. So we are going to activate something that will help us to use the pro features. So to activate that thing, come to the settings here, the settings icon which is here, and then scroll down here. You see this stuff here. Okay, so you see this stuff here, business creator mode, and we have this tab here. Okay, so we are going to enable this one or turn it on. So when you turn it on, then you come in and hit back. So you're going to refresh your account for you, and then it will tell you that you have enabled. Okay, so since we're done with that one, you see all these features have now activated. Okay, so when I go here and then I come back here, it will still working. And if I go to this stuff here, go to the setting, you see it has been activated. That means I can use all the pro features. So let's try some of the pro features and see. Let me bring out something, a short video, and let's see if the pro features is certain. Okay, so when I hit on add, everything is here. Okay, so anytime you edit it, make sure you come back and delete this stuff here. Okay, so let me go to caption. Okay, so it didn't show me that I need to use the pro features and stuff. I'm going to upload and give me every template that I want to use. Okay, so let me go to, so all other features are now working here. So that's how you can get the pro features of CapCut. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we are going to give you a lot of exclusive features that will help you in the near future. Shalom.